The Rhinos were 146 who lost 7 wickets in reply. Warriors are 134 for 7. They're way behind the Rhinos, who went on to get to that score of 159. And this is the situation for Telugu Warriors while chasing 160. Rishi will bowl his last over. I think he has made a big difference. 3 overs, 16 runs on 1 wickets for Rishi. He's made a big difference. It's the opening duo of Vikrant and Rishi have done a commendable job for their side. And now they have come back to mop up the tail here for the Rhinos. Such a happy camp here, the Chennai Rhinos. They're almost down and they made it to the semi-finals because of the higher net run rate. And now they have imposed themselves here on the Warriors, who beat them quite comprehensively in the league stage.
Thick outside edge, and the fielder can't stop that one from going for a 4. A handy 4. They would need plenty of those coming through.
They need many more like this. The lucky one for Ayappa. He swings, he gets the thick outside edge. Flew past the keeper, no chance for the fielder at third man. All these runs are so important for the Warriors. Now 22 needed from 11 deliveries. Swings again, misses. I think he's pulled his muscle here, Rishi. As the groin. He's in distress here, he's in pain. And I don't think in this condition he'll continue. He'll have to get another bowler to finish his over.
There you go, he bowled with some decent pace there on that ball, and immediately he held his hamstring. I guess it is definitely a cramp in his hamstring. He's been attended to by the physios, by his players. They're getting a drink. The pressure can be a lot more sapping than you think. It's not that hot in Chennai what it can be, as it is known to be very hot here in this part of the country. But the pressure and pressure to perform well under trying circumstances can also get you a lot of cramps. What a tournament this has been. CCL is coming to you in different languages, 6 languages, going worldwide. Terrific stuff by the production team. At this time, oh, well stopped. That was tremendous. He was traveling. Possibly another 4 was on the card. But that was a great stop.
And what a time to make that effort. Fielder a short fine leg. Had a dive to his left. Full toss on the onside. Flicked quite well. But look at that effort from the fielder. Full length on his left side. And he saves 3 runs for his side. Doesn't connect well. Again, it's only a single. It's turning out to be a good over for Rishi and for the Rhinos.
So wide, and he's clearly struggling with cramps. Wide signal. Also, there was a chance of a run out, so it's been referred upstairs.
This is what has made a big difference, the intensity and the hunger for a win here. I think he's gone. Yes, he is. Good throw by Ramanna, the wicketkeeper. Direct hit onto the stumps. Well short of the popping crease. The decision is out. So one more wicket falls. It is it's the substitute who was run out, so it's Nand Kishore Raghu, beg your pardon. Gone for 4 is 141 for 8.
And 19 more needed of just 8 deliveries. Srikanth is a new batsman, and Telugu Warriors have got going on great guns in the middle, but the loss of Charan Teja have reversed the fortunes on them. Chennai Rhinos, this man has made a lot of difference. Rishi is clearly struggling with cramps, but still is putting in that effort, and he's bowled a magnificent delivery to get rid of another Telugu Warrior batsman. Well, it's almost there, almost. Chennai Rhinos.
Oh, what a delivery to bowl to a newcomer in the block hole, no chance at all. So Rishi, he picks another wicket. Srikanth goes for naught, is 141 for 9. So Venkatesh comes out now. 19 needed from 7 deliveries. Looks highly unlikely for the Warriors to go through now to the finals. Is the home side, the local favourites, who are all set to enter the finals. Venkatesh, the captain, steps out. At this stage, one has to say that is a lackluster bowling effort from Telugu Warriors that allowed the Rhinos to get to that score of 159. Which the Rhinos have defended admirably. 141 for 9. It's only Vishwa who scored a half century. Charan Teja looked good, and one felt that if he had stayed, he would have taken his side to victory. But his dismissal has really put the brakes on the Warriors. So after 19 is 141 for 9.